What is up guys, my name is Tala and you're watching Gadget Sphere. In today's video, I'm going to compare a very good laptop which cost only 55,000 rupees. That is it, only 55,000. And don't underestimate it. It has 8 GB RAM, 512 GB SSD, then i5 9 Gen, GTX 1650. That's great. And the brand is Acer. So the name of the laptop is Acer Aspire 7. Obviously it's not sponsored by anyone. I'm not going to get paid. I don't know why. Guys, increase my subscribers. Subscribe now so that I can get sponsors also. I'm really looking forward for that. By the way, let's talk about the real deal. The real deal is this laptop is only 55,000 rupees on Flipkart. I was just shocked by seeing the deal because the GTX 1650 is a really good powerful graphic card. You can see that PC right there, that is mine. Yeah, that's mine. Just kidding. This PC is mine, and that PC it has that exactly same graphic card, the GTX 1650, which I'm using, and I'm like really very happy. The performance in the GTX 1650 is one of the best performance you can get. So what is the catch? There should be a catch, and yes, there is. Now let's talk about the catch. The problem with these two laptops is Lenovo is known a lot more than Acer. Now why? When I think of Acer as a brand, I mostly think of the monitors I had in school. When I think of the monitors I had in school, those very old classic monitors, not this one is a new one. Like those very old monitors which are just like showing very blurred picture quality, and that is it. But when I think of Lenovo, I think of their Yoga series, their new laptops like the Slim series. Why does this happen? Because Lenovo invests a lot in advertising and they're like crazy good in terms of the customer care service. Now why I'm talking about that, because when I go to markets, I never saw an Acer shop. That's my experience. I'm telling you my personal experience. I never ever saw an Acer shop, a shop where Acer has their original laptops being sold. There are only other shops which just sell these laptops. And when I walked a little more, I found out like 3-4 Lenovo shops. Now just see a word, like just imagine if you buy a laptop, your laptop is shining new, it's working fine. After 6 months, it got broken. Like a keyboard is broken. I know you can obviously get it cheap somewhere else, but if you want the original, keyboard, if you want the brand to fix that keyboard, then where will you run? You have to go towards the person from whom you have bought. And in case you have bought online, like the link I'm going to give in the description is of Flipkart, you can buy from there. Obviously, talk about the thing is, in Lenovo you can easily get it fixed. Any problem, Lenovo service center is really good. They have very good quality of customer care services. They talk to us very politely. They will answer us a lot of questions that we have asked. And you know what, you guys also asked the question, isn't it? That is, can the RAM be upgraded about this laptop, the IdeaPad Slim 5i? The answer was yes, but you shouldn't do it. And yeah, I told it many times. I'm not going to tell right now. I will make a new video and then I will tell you all about how the RAM can be upgraded and all about that laptop. But yeah, the main point, the main reason of making this video, it is just to tell you that there's a very good laptop in Flipkart running, and it's like 55,000 rupees. You're getting a laptop which can play games at very good graphic settings like high to ultra. By the way, I was just playing Forza Horizon. You can see that shot of Ferrari. I was driving in Forza Horizon 4. That game was running on ultra graphic, and I even went into the advanced. I did everything to max, extreme, and the FPS was 70, 80, no problem. So that is the thing, you can get a very good gaming experience if you buy the Acer one. That is not to say that Lenovo is very bad in terms of gaming. It is just that Lenovo is for those who really care about the brand, and also one thing for those who are professionals, like who care a lot about working. And in terms of that, Lenovo has a better processor. That's obvious from the fact that you have a better processor. 11 gen is always better than a 9 gen processor, and i5, both are same exactly i5, but 11 gen, the Lenovo one, is better. Now there is one more fact, that is you have a lot more storage in Lenovo. You have 1250 GB in Lenovo compared to only 512 GB in Acer. So these are factors, it just depends upon what you think and your budget. That's the thing. If you are interested in buying the laptop, you can do. I'm not criticizing that laptop. The main point of making this video is to make you guys aware that yes, there's a very good laptop out there. Some of you guys who don't have the budget of 70,000 rupees, 67,000 rupees can buy that one, 55k, and still enjoy a very good experience of Windows and the laptop, everything. You will be very happy. So that's pretty much it for today's video. No hate to spread, it's all love. That's why I'm making this video, to tell you guys, to inform you. So if you're into subscribing will be really good. If you can follow me on Instagram, that's my ID, because I'm the one type of guy who loves to do giveaways also. I've just done a giveaway of this smart bulb, and if you haven't watched it, you can watch the video, but the giveaway is over now. No problem about that. I will do more giveaways in the future, and if you want to be notified every time I do a giveaway or anything else, following me on Instagram is the best thing. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.